Migrating the Bill.com API SDK requires careful planning and execution to ensure a seamless transition. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of migrating the Bill.com API SDK. First, review the Bill.com API documentation to understand the changes and updates made to the SDK. Familiarize yourself with the new features, endpoints, and parameters to determine how they will impact your existing integration. Next, assess your current implementation to identify areas that need to be updated or modified. Make a list of the APIs and endpoints you are currently using and map them to the new SDK. Identify any deprecated endpoints or APIs that need to be replaced. Then, update your API credentials and authentication mechanism to comply with the new SDK requirements. This may involve generating new API keys, updating your authentication headers, or modifying your OAuth flow. After that, update your code to use the new SDK endpoints and parameters. This may involve modifying your API requests, updating your data models, or changing your error handling mechanisms. Make sure to test each API endpoint and function to ensure it is working as expected. It is also essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure your application remains stable and functional during the migration process. Implement try-catch blocks and error handling mechanisms to catch and handle any errors that may occur during the migration. Best practices for migrating the Bill.com API SDK include testing your application thoroughly, using a staging environment to test your changes, and monitoring your application for any issues that may arise after the migration. Additionally, consider implementing logging and analytics to track any issues or errors that may occur during the migration. This will help you identify and resolve any problems quickly and efficiently. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful migration of the Bill.com API SDK and take advantage of the new features and updates it has to offer. Remember to always refer to the official Bill.com API documentation for the most up-to-date information and guidance on the migration process.